Did you know that 90% of the leafy greens grown in the U.S. come from California and Arizona? Did you also know that the majority of those leafy greens are grown and harvested under a food safety program that requires mandatory government audits? Over 50 billion servings of leafy greens each year are grown under the LGMA. The LGMA is a food safety program that verifies science-based farming practices using government audits and requires that members be in 100% compliance at all times. The LGMA program can be broken down into three main components: food safety practices, government audits, certification. It's the food safety practices that are at the heart of the program. These rigorous practices are based on sound science and designed specifically for leafy green crops, all with the goal of minimizing food safety risks on the farm. Some of these practices include a written food safety plan, surveying each ranch before planting and harvesting crops, testing for irrigation water, and worker practices like hand washing.
The LGMA program has definitely made leafy greens safer. It's made sure that we've looked at worker practices, wildlife, water, our equipment, our handling practices after it's harvested, and so there's no emphasis just on one area.
The use of food safety practices is verified by a government auditor through mandatory inspection multiple times each year. Once an LGMA member is verified to be in 100% compliance with the food safety practices, they become a certified member of the LGMA.
So, food safety is something that you do every day. It's not something you do once in a while or once a month or something. It's an ingrained practice. It becomes part of doing business.
LGMA certification is required by many major grocery stores and restaurants in the U.S., Canada, and Mexico. You can see a list of certified LGMA members and sign up for e-updates at www.lgma.ca.gov.